Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Renee and every week I share home decor and DIY videos. If you are looking for ideas to decorate your Christmas tree, this video is just for you. I will share with you tips and tricks in decorating your Christmas tree. So let's get right into the video and I hope you enjoy. So you might notice my location looks a bit different because I'm not at my home, I'm at my family home. I'm decorating the tree there. So the first thing you want to do is to fluff out the tree, and when they say fluff out the tree, you want to pull out branch by branch, and then when you pull out the branch by branch, you can pull out the smaller pieces up and down and across so that it hides the stem of the tree. So once you get it all fluffed out, you want to ensure you start off with different layers. So you realize I have layer 1, then I have layer 2, then layer 3. So you want to do them layer by layer. Now after the tree is all fluffed and ready to go, you can now add your light. Your light can be warm light, white light, LED light, or multicolored light. Whatever light you have on you can use, and also you can choose light based on your theme. Also, you want to go in and out of the tree when you're putting on the lights. You don't want to just put the lights outwards on the stem or on the finer branches of the tree. Rather, you want to go inwards near the stem of the tree so that when you're outside and looking it, the light goes inwards and give depth. After the light is added, you may add your star to start decorating. Actually, it's not really a star, you want to add your topper. Now your topper can be star or anything you choose, and after you add your topper, you can now add your ribbons, your garlands, and your picks. These are items that will fill out the gaps in your tree. Now I am using some small ribbons here because these are what I have on hand, and remember, when you're decorating, if you don't have something, you can use what you have. These peach ribbons are some ribbons that I make, so you can do a little DIY as well. So I'm using some red and peach because that's a theme, so I'm using that type of color here. And also you just want to put it evenly around the tree just to ensure that you fill up areas across. Now this is most person's favorite step. It's adding the ornaments or your Christmas balls. Now you want to choose different shape and different size and different texture balls, and you want to also ensure that you have the base color, a secondary color, and also an accent color. This will help you into not making the tree looking wild and overcrowded. So for example, I'm using this with blue and pink and orange. It will look too much, so you want to have 3 different colors flowing on the tree. Also, you can put your balls inside and outside. Use the larger balls at the bottom of the tree as well. And after it's all decorated with the balls and so, you can add your skirting. But in this video I won't add the skirting because the living room is not really ready as yet. So once the living room is well decorated, we can put the skirting, and then the gifts can go underneath it as well. So when decorating the tree, ensure that you love what you do. Don't decorate it to please anyone outside, decorate it for your theme and your family. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next video. Thank you.